Yeah. Okay, that's good. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. Okay, my name is Teacher Jean. What's your name?
My name is Hong Bia.
Pongbia. Am I right? Okay. Is it your
Yes.
English name or is it a Thai name?
Um, it's my English and Thai name.
Oh, really? Okay, Pongbia. Because this one, in English, you will read it as Bia. Okay, but it's Pongbia in your name. How are you today, Pongbia?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. How old are you, Pongbia?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Okay, I see. 10 years old. And what did you do today?
Mm, Today I went to study at school.
Okay. What time did you go to school?
I'm go to school at 8 o'clock.
Okay, 8 o'clock. All right. So, what time did you go home?
I'm go home at 16 o'clock.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's good. 16 o'clock. And are you hungry, Fangbia? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Did you eat dinner already?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So early. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat
I
for dinner?
eat fried rice
Fried fries. Okay. And what else?
and omelette.
An omelet. Okay, I see. That's good to hear about that. You know, Fangbia, I love omelette in the afternoon. How about you? Because people, many people loves omelette in the morning, and I don't like omelette in the morning. I like it in the afternoon.
I like it in the evening.
Okay, in the evening. Fangbia, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Wow, that's good. How long have you been learning English, Fangbia? 2
About
years, 3,
7 years ago.
7 years already. Okay, I see. That's good. So, this time, let's have our lesson for today. Are you ready? Okay, Fangbia, are you ready for our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, I will share my screen to you. Oh, by the way, Fangbia, where are you now?
At home.
At home, are you in your room, in the dining room, in the living room, in the kitchen?
I'm in the living room.
Living room. Okay. Let me share my screen to you, Fangbia. And this is our lesson for today. Okay. It is science lesson. Okay. Are you ready for your science lesson today?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the material or you can see Facebook? What can you see?
Like a book.
A book. You can see a book?
A science book.
That's good. Very good. So let's have our science book now. Mm-hmm. Let's read first the question. The question here in the pink box. Please read, Fongwia.
Do different materials have equal hardness?
Mm-hmm. Yes or no? In your own. Oh, do you understand the question, Fongwia?
No.
Okay, let me translate it for you so that you will know. English to Fight translator. Do different materials have equal hardness? This is the question.
I think no.
Oh, very good. Why? Give me one or two reasons why.
Mm, Because it's different materials,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
I think one is soft, one
Mm-hmm.
is hard. I think like that.
Oh, very good. Okay, so your answer is, do different materials have equal hardness?
No,
No, different materials don't have the same hardness. Okay. So let's find out in the science lesson of yours. Okay. Let's read our 7.1.
which material is harder?
Okay. So today's lesson, we are going to talk about which material is harder. By the name of the lesson itself, you will know our lesson for today. Okay. So number one, learning outcomes. We have to. Number one,
Do do an experiment and
summarize.
summarize the result about hardness of different materials.
Very good. Fangbia. Okay, Fangbia, what is materials first? We are talking about material. What is material?
It's like
Mm-hmm.
I think it's like a stone.
Very good. Okay, examples of materials. We have stone. Okay, so meaning to say it's like a thing or something that we can hold to, we can touch.
Oh,
Am
okay.
I right?
Yes.
Okay, number two, please read.
Be able to explain that hardness is a property materials and that different materials have different hardness.
Okay. You are correct in your answer in the question. Do different materials have equal hardness? You are right because we are going to explain today hardness is a property of materials and that different materials. Let's read over here. Let's read again here.
You and different materials have different
Hardnesses.
harnesses.
Okay, very good. So here, okay. Read, understand, follow the steps, and record the results and answers in the question. Okay. So we are going to do an experiment, but we cannot do it. Let's just imagine we are doing it, okay? Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Example, can you please read the materials?
materials,
Mm-hmm.
a
No.
nail,
Mm-hmm. Very good.
wood,
Mm-hmm.
glass, eraser, stone, metal,
Tile.
tile, candle, and plastic bottle.
Okay, very good. So that is the material. All of these are hard. Yes or no? All of these
Yes,
material are hard. Very good. All of these are hard, but they have different
hardness.
hardnesses. Okay. What do you think is the most material that is so, so hard. Among all, this material is so hard. Is it?
Um,
Mhm.
I think diamond.
Okay, here, material here.
Oh,
Material in
there.
this, yes.
I think glass.
A glass?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll tell you what a glass is. GLASS. Is it hard?
I think yes.
Yes, it is. But when you throw it, it will be broken easily. So I think glass,
Or
or
or stone.
yes, maybe stone. Okay, so a lot of hard things here. We have a nail, the stone, the metal, and a tile. Do you know what metal is?
I know, but I don't know tile.
Okay, I'll tell you what a tile is.
Oh,
Yes. Can you see it?
yes.
Okay, our house is made of a tile. Oh, wait, I'll show you again. But why can't I touch it? Tile. Like this.
Wow.
See? Okay. Do you see tiles in person?
Yes.
Okay. Is your house tiles?
Mhm.
Is your house tiles or the floor of your house?
Yes.
Oh, yes, me too. Okay. So this time, let's go again to our lesson for today. Okay, so since we cannot do it, let's skip this part. Let's go to the next page. And oh, I think we need to do the experiment because we cannot answer this one. Okay, let's talk about hardness first. Do you know what is hardness?
No, I don't
Hardness.
know.
Okay, here is hardness in Thai.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so different materials have different hardness. Which one is harder? Is it the eraser? Which one is harder? Is it eraser or a tile?
I think tile.
Very good. Okay, so we're talking about which material is harder. Okay, can you give me examples of hard materials too? And
A diamond.
a diamond. Very good. A diamond is hard. Very good. Okay. So now let's talk about, please read about hardness.
Hardness is a proper, per, property of materials, and each material has the same hardness.
Oh, is it true? No, it's not. The same hardness? No. So, hardness.
Hardness is a property of materials, and each material has different hardness.
Very good. Each material has different hardness. Okay. Wait for a while. Hardness is a property of materials. Wait. Let me type it here so that you will know and you will understand as well. Okay. Hardness is a property of material. Okay. Uh,
Mm.
Do you have any questions?
No.
No question. So easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, how about question number 6? Please read. Let's answer question number 6.
If you want to repair a broken wooden chair and to hold it back together
Tightly.
tightly, what should you choose to fix it in order to build up the strength for the chair?
Okay. Do you want to read it again or answer?
No.
Okay. Do you understand the question?
Yes.
Very good. So, which one is the answer?
I think glue the chair together.
Next answer.
Use nails to fix the chair.
Which one is the answer?
I think number one.
Oh, how? Okay, you need to glue the chair together. Okay. Fangbia, your chair is broken. Your wooden chair is broken. I'll show you what a wooden chair is. Wooden chair. Okay, your wooden chair is broken like this. Oh, look at these examples of broken chair. Can you see it, Fangbia? Hello? Hello, are you there?
Hello?
Okay. Are you there, Fangbia?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a picture example of a broken chair. What will you do to fix this? What will you do to fix this? Okay, your answer is to glue. Glue the chair. Okay, or you can use nails to fix the chair. Okay, what do you think? Glue the chair together or use nails to fix the chair? The best answer
Oh,
is
use nail to fix the chair.
yeah, we can use nails to fix the chair. Remember, glue is only for maybe soft. Example, paper. What else? We can glue it. We can glue on a paper, on soft material. But on a wooden chair, we should use nails, okay? Okay. Now, this time, let's read this part number 1 and 2.
If material a leaf stretch on material B, then material A is harder than material B.
Okay, I'll show you. Example, this is material A. Example, this is material A, a notebook. And then I'm gonna get, do you know a knife?
Yes.
Yes, knife. Example, this is a knife. And material A is this, and material B is the paper. So, if I will leave a mark on the paper, then the knife is harder than the paper, okay? All right. How about number 2? Please read number 2.
If material
Hello? Can you hear me? Are you okay there?
I think my internet.
Yeah, I think so. Can you please read again? Number two. I did not hear you.
If material B leaves a scratch on material A, the material B is harder than material A.
Okay, that's good. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
Okay, next one. Softer material.
Softer material can be easily
Mm-hmm.
scratched by harder materials. Harder materials cannot be easily scratched by softer materials.
Okay, very good for that. Scratch. Can you say the word again? Scratched.
Scratched.
Okay, good job for that. Now, this time, how about the yellow box? Please read the yellow box. Okay, that's right. Next one. Let's look at number one. Use of.
Use other properly
Okay, very good. Property.
purpo- property
Mm-hmm.
of material hardness.
Mm-hmm.
We can use nails which are made from
Metal.
metal
Mm-hmm.
to be hammered
Hammered.
hammered
This one is a hammer.
into hammered
Mm-hmm.
into wood in order to secure
Secure.
the wood.
Okay, in order to secure the wood. Okay, are you familiar with carpentry? Yes or no? Yes, okay. So that's good. I'll show you picture of nails on the wood. Okay, wait for a while. Not now. And let's have the images. Nails on the wood, for instance, this one. See?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So, in the wood, we do not use glue. We use.
Nails.
Okay, and how about number two?
We can use a pair
We can use a pear.
of scissors to cut paper.
Okay. Do you know how to do it?
Yes.
Do you know how to do it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, a paper is soft? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, which is harder, a paper or a seesaw?
Scissors.
A seesaw. Okay. Which is harder, a hammer, or a seesaw?
What is a hammer?
This one.
A hammer.
Okay, that's good. Do you have a hammer at home?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Which is harder, a hammer or a wood?
A hammer.
Very good. It's a hammer. All right. Next one. Let's read number three.
Any materials which have a high level of hardness such as diamond, wood, and metal can be used to take
Make.
to make jewelry jewelry,
Mm-hmm.
furniture, or constru- construction materials.
Materials. Ma.
Materials.
Very good. Okay. So, metal, diamond, and wood. They have high level of hardness, meaning to say, what can you make out of them? What can you make out of the diamond, the wood, and the metal? You can make what?
Um,
You can make
we can make
mhm, hard materials. We can make furniture.
furniture,
What else?
cons- construction
Mm-hmm.
materials,
Mm-hmm.
and jewelry.
Very good. Do you know what a jewelry is?
I don't know.
Okay, jewelry, for example, is in the picture. You can see it in the picture. There is a jewelry. This is a necklace. Necklace.
Oh,
Yeah. Like me, I'll show you my necklace. Wait for a while. Can you see it now?
oh yes.
Yes, look at my rings too. I have 6 rings.
Whoa.
And I have 2 bracelets.
Wow.
Okay. So this material is, I'll show you. Do you know what material is this? English Defy Translator. English Defy Translator. This material is a silver.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
All right. This is a silver. Okay. So, do you have any question?
Now
Okay. Can you give me example of a furniture?
a chair,
Hmm?
a bed,
Ah,
a table.
very good.
Like,
Furniture. And that's all.
mm, a TV.
A TV is an appliance. It's not a
Oh,
furniture.
a sofa.
Yes, very good. Okay, thank you very much for your idea. So this time, let me stop sharing first. Wait for a while. Okay, do you have any questions about our lesson?
No,
No questions. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, let's go and let's continue again. Okay. So let's talk about, oh, no, no, no. Did I do the slide? Let's talk about toughness. Can you read toughness?
toughness.
What is toughness? Toughness.
Toughness is the ability of a solid material to stretch by pulling it. For example, a plastic bag has softness, meaning it can be
Stretched.
stretched.
Okay. I'll show you what stretched is like this. Wait for a while. Stretched. Like that. You will stretch it.
Oh,
Yes. Stretched. Okay. Here. Yes, very good. What thing can you stretch? Can you tell me?
mm,
Anything that you can
a
stretch.
rubble, a rub, a rubble.
I'm sorry?
Um,
A thing that you can stretch.
I think it's rubber bands.
A rubber band. Yes, very good. Can you stretch this? Can you stretch this silver bracelet?
I think no.
No, you can't. Very good. What else can you stretch aside from
No.
a rubber band?
Um,
You can stretch. Oh, a bubble gum. A bubble gum. You can stretch a bubble gum. A rubber
oh
band. Yes,
yeah,
okay. What else?
yeah. Mm, a rubber?
Oh, yes, very good. Okay. So, do you have any questions about toughness?
No.
No question about toughness. Okay. But I'm going to translate toughness to thigh. Okay. Kwamil. Is it Kwamil?
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay, I just listened to it. All right. So let's go to the next page. Okay, here's the next page. Okay, question again. Do different materials
Do different materials have equal toughness?
tough.
Tough.
Toughness.
Teacher, what is toughness?
Okay, here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The
No.
different no. No. Okay. Because
Because
mhm,
mm, because like something it can like it can
yeah, for example, toughness, remember? It can be stretched.
yeah it can be stretched,
Mm-hmm.
but something it can't stretch.
Cannot be stretched. Very good. All right. So, okay. So let's read first our learning objective for today. Do an experiment.
Do an experiment and summarize
Mm-hmm.
the result about the thought about the thoughtness
Toughness.
of different thoughtness
Mm-hmm.
of different materials.
Mm-hmm. Number two.
Be able to explain that thoughtness is a property of materials and different materials have different thoughtness.
Toughness.
Hmm,
Okay, can you say it again? Toughness.
thoughtness.
Okay, very good for that. So much for that. Fangbia. Am I right? Is it Fangbia?
Yes,
Okay, Fangbia, so much for that. I'll see you again on the next class. See you and have a good day, Fangbia. Goodbye.
yes.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you. Thank you very much.